Hi, in this video I will teach you how to turn off your Bluetooth on your Windows device. First, you have to go to the window icon, click Settings, go to your devices, and under devices, select Bluetooth and other devices. Now once here, turn it on. Once on, it will detect the previously connected devices on your device or on your PC. Now, if you have a new Bluetooth device and you want it to be paired or connected through your laptop or computer, such as this one, you have to add Bluetooth or other device. Just click this plus sign and then click Bluetooth. And after that, it will detect new devices on your location or on the range. Once you have found the new devices that you would like to add on this connection, just select it and then it will be available here on the list. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.